Hello, everyone. It is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Simplicity. The name of the song is Put Your Name on It. The artist is Kelly Roland, and the choreography is Steffi Page. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instructions, I'll post it at the end of the dance. And also, the choreographer, Steffi Page, also has an instruction, okay? And here we go.
Just get lost in this space, so loud. But they can't find us today, so wild. We got a sweet sense of sure love. It's so good, gotta tell me shut up. No good when it comes to your touch.
simplicity. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you leave a comment. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.